60 mode.
Sweet.
All right, we're rocking the double cams.
Woo!
Let's get it going. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Or you want me to go first?
You should go first, and I'll pass
Yeah,
you.
because I got the full face. I would draft you.
Ooh.
Or unless you want to go first and then I can pass you, that'd be sick.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try to go together.
Yeah.
Hey, bud.
Sorry, you guys don't know if we can go in the water. Are you okay?
You almost ran into the dog?
Yeah.
Oh,
It would not move.
The dog to the side. She was super scared.
Yeah.
That's probably why.
Yeah.
Coming in, baby! Holy
You
shit,
okay?
dude, I slammed so hard, I'm totally okay.
Good.
Oh my god, that was scary.
I know.
Oh,
People in their fucking
thank
dogs.
god I had my full face on, dude.
Really?
I clocked the back of my head.
Just like, dude, are you kidding me? Like,
Taking up the whole
Yeah.
trail.
2 dogs off leash and you're not even gonna do anything.
I didn't even know they were off leash. I thought they were on leash. That's
Yeah,
why
they were
I
closed
freaked out.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was like, I need to stop now.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got it up, buddy. Maybe. I don't know if we were rolling.
Oh, we're just full.
Okay, so
Yeah,
we
at
got
some point,
something.
Yeah,
Hopefully we got it, dude. That
Oh,
was gnarly
man.
as fuck.
it was.
I'm so happy I was wearing that. I would have been
For real.
fucking toast, dude.
Well, that worked out.
That worked out so well. All right, I'm good. Well, let's go back and get my car and be done.
Yeah.
Woo!
Ended on that note.
Woo!
Yeah, first that one lady like ran the bridge. Her dog did not
All
move.
over the place.
And I was like booking into it. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna go for it. And then I was like, shit, that dog's not moving. And she's just like standing there. It's like, come on, your
Be
dog's
fucking responsible.
yeah, your dog's
like,
gonna be off leash. Like,
yeah, take care of your fucking shit if your dog's gonna be off leash. Yeah, I got a little bit of road rash on my butt, but nothing to shower. I can't fix.
gnarly one.
Yeah, dude, I'm so happy I was okay as I was going down. Like, I'm going really fucking fast.
There's like a rock wall right
Yeah, dude, I slammed into that wall.
Yeah.
Oh, holy shit. We're still recording.
Everyone.